Hi, I'm Nick from Auto Communications. Today we've fitted 2 StarLine alarm systems on these 2 Audi S5s. 2 amazing cars, so of course they had to be secured. We're going to give you a quick demo and show you how it all works. The StarLine alarm system is really easy to use. You simply use the lock on your factory key to arm the system, and to disarm the system you simply press unlock on the factory key. As long as the driver ID tag is present, the vehicle will unlock and the vehicle will start. If we unlock the vehicle with the driver's factory key, the vehicle will still unlock, but if the driver ID tag of the StarLine isn't present, the vehicle will not start, the hazards will flash, the alarm will sound, it will also trigger the factory horn and it will call the customer's mobile phone. So we're going to unlock the vehicle now with no driver ID tag. Vehicle's not starting. If we unlock the vehicle and the driver ID tag is present, the alarm won't sound, and as long as the tag is present, the vehicle will start no problem. You can leave comfort access enabled on your vehicle as well, because the StarLine system will still disarm as long as the tag is there. So this is the StarLine app. It's very easy to use. As you can see here, there's a picture of the vehicle. It hasn't got a bubble over it. When the vehicle is armed, it gets a bubble over it so we know that it's armed. If you leave your vehicle and you've forgotten to arm the vehicle, you can simply hold the button here, and as you can see, the vehicle is now locked and armed, and after a few seconds when app updates, the app's updated and it's showing us that the vehicle's armed. So this vehicle has been fitted with Anti-Hijack. If the vehicle was stolen, so if someone found the keys or you were forced to hand over the keys, you can let the vehicle get to a safe distance and then you can press the Anti-Hijack button there on the app. Once you press that button, the vehicle will slowly and safely shut down. The alarm and horn will trigger and the hazards will trigger as well. Once you collect the vehicle and you're safe again, you can just log back in on the StarLine app and take the Anti-Hijack off. This is also equipped with shock sensor, tilt sensor and motion sensor. The vehicle is dragged along or lifted up, the alarm will trigger, and also if the vehicle feels a sharp shock, again it will warn away and then the alarm will trigger. So that's pretty much it for today. We've fitted the 2 StarLine systems to these 2 Audis. The StarLine system is available for most vehicles past 2010, I believe. I'd have to check, but just get in contact. We'll let you know what vehicles it's available for. If you've got a vehicle and you might want it securing, just send us a message and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If we can't fit a StarLine, we can fit a different product. It's no problem at all. We're based in Essex. We cover Essex and East London. But if you're anywhere else in the country, just let us know because we've got engineers nationwide who can look after you. The StarLine alarm system is completely customizable. So if you've got any specific requirements you've got or you don't want certain things, let us know. We can adapt it so it suits you perfectly. So if you're looking to get your vehicle secured, give us a shout. You can find us on all socials at Auto Communications, autocommunications.co.uk. Our phone number's there. We'll put our phone number on the links as well. So just scroll down to the bottom there and you'll find all our contact details. We cover Essex and most of London. Like I say, we've got engineers nationwide as well. So if you just get in contact with us, and we can let you know who's the best installer in your area, and we'll get you looked after. Thanks for watching.